This is Mamatasan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we will going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and this is the top view. And in the top view, we can see that we have a line like here, and this line is the cross section line. This is the section A view of this cross section line. And after that, we can see we have another cross section of here, and this is the cross section view of B. Okay, first of all we will start drawing from the right plane. In the right plane, I will first draw this rectangular shape, and this rectangular shape has a dimension of 76 by 76 by 12 plus 8 plus 8. So I can see the horizontal distance of this rectangle will be 76, and the vertical this side distance will be 8 plus 12 plus this 8. Otherwise, if you think in this side also, you will get the same dimension. Likewise, you will get 6 plus 16 plus 6, so it will give the same dimension here vertical and here also. After drawing that shape, I will extrude proceed to this side 62 unit. So let's start. So I'm selecting the right plane. Now sketch. Now select the center rectangle and draw a center rectangle of dimension 8 plus 12 plus 8 unit, and the other dimension will be 76 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude boss. As the total dimension is 62 unit, but I will draw it as a symmetry, so that I will dimension it to in direction 1 62 divided by 2 unit, and in direction 2 62 divided by 2 unit. Now press OK. After that, we can see here I'll draw this shape. For drawing this shape, I'll again select the right plane, and from that right plane I'll draw this line, and after drawing this line I'll dimension it here to here vertically 8 unit, and the horizontal dimension from this center line to here will be 58 unit. So after drawing that, I'll draw an inclined line here of 30-degree unit, and I will dimension it to 87.6 unit. From that line, I will use the offset entities to offset this other part of the line. We can see we can draw also this other side of the shape in the same way, in the same sequence. For doing that, first of all I will draw a horizontal line here, and the horizontal line vertical distance will be 6 unit, and from this point the horizontal distance will be 57 unit. And after that I will draw this inclined line of 30-degree unit, and the dimension will be 87.6 unit. From there I will use the offset entities to offset the shape, and after that I will extrude proceed to 50 unit this one, and also 50 unit this one. As you can see, we have a symmetry here, so I'll dimension it in direction 1 50 unit divided by 2, and in direction 2 50 unit divided by 2. So let's start. So I'm selecting the right plane again. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the line and draw a horizontal line. After drawing a horizontal line, now select smart dimension. Now dimension it from vertically 8 unit. Now again select this point and select this origin, and now dimension it horizontally 58 unit. Now press OK. Now again select line and draw an inclined line, and after drawing that inclined line, select smart dimension and now dimension it to 30-degree. Okay, again select that line, we need to dimension it again. Okay, and this dimension will be 87.76 unit. Now press OK. So I need to now close this shape. For doing this, I will use the offset entities. Now select one of the line, make sure to uncheck bidirectional and reverse the direction. As you can see here, we have 12 unit of offset, so I'll give it to 12 unit. 12 unit. Okay, now we need to draw shape in this line. For doing this, I will select line again and place a line here and draw a horizontal line. After drawing that horizontal line, go to smart dimension and dimension it vertically 6 unit. Now select this point and select this origin and dimension this both 57 unit. Now again select line. We now need to draw the incline line. So draw an incline line. Now select smart dimension. Now select this line and this incline line and dimension it to 30 unit. And select line again as same. It is 87.76 unit. Now we can see we again need to draw an offset. For this shape, the offset will be 16 unit as we have seen earlier here. So select our offset entities, select one of the line. As you can, it is in other side, so I'll reverse the direction. Now select the parameter, dimension it to 16 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Now go to features, extrude boss. As the total dimension is 50 unit, so in the direction 1 I'll dimension it to 50 divided by 2 unit, and in the direction 2 I'll dimension it to 50 divided by 2 unit. Now press OK. Okay, now here you can see we have many extrude cut here, and we have 4 extrude cut in this plane, 4 extrude cut circular hole. So the upper hole are 6 diameter, and there apart from this line to here is 12 unit, and the other circle here is 38 unit apart from the first circle. So if we draw this one and this one circle, then I will draw a center line and mirror other two circle. For doing this, I'll select this upper face and then start drawing. And here we can see we get the dimension here 12 unit, but this dimension will be here to here will be 50 minus 26 divided by 2 unit. Okay, I will give an illustration. Okay, select this face, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select a circle. Now draw a circle of 6 diameter. Now smart dimension. Now select this line and this line. You can easily see from this side the dimension is 12 unit, but in here to here the dimension will be, we can see that 50 minus 26 divided by 2. Okay, now again select a circle and you can see the guided line. So I will draw a circle in this guided vertical line. So again dimension to 6 diameter. Now go to smart dimension and select this circle and this line. You can see it have automatically cast the 12 unit diameter. You can dimension it again if you want, otherwise you can leave it. And the distance from this two circle will be 38 unit. Now press OK. Now we need to draw again two circle here. For drawing this two circle, we can use the mirror entities. For mirroring, we need a reference line, so I'll use the center line. So I'm pointing a line here. Okay, now press OK. Now select mirror entities. For mirroring, I'll select this to circle and mirror about. Select this center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. And the extrude cut. So extrude cut, this extrude cut will be 12 unit minus 5 unit. Okay. So go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 12 minus 5 unit. Now press OK. Now we can see we have another extrude cut circle there. You can see in here we have another extrude cut circle and another extrude cut circle here, and these circles are 14 diameter. So now if we again want to draw this circle manually, it will take much time. So I will use the previous circle as a convert entities tools, then I will redimension it. Okay, so let me select this inner face. Now sketch. Now what you will be doing, select the convert entities, because you can select this inner face and this inner face and this inner face. Now convert entities, all of them. For redimension it, if you want to dimension it, see, you cannot dimension it. So for redimensioning it, select this relation icon, and after selecting this relation icon, okay, select this relation icon, select this relation icon. Now delete. My relation icon wasn't clicking because I was in smart dimension mode. Make sure you are in cursor mode, then select the relation and delete the relation. Delete each relation. Okay, now if you want to dimension it, now see, you can easily dimensioning it as you want. So you don't need to draw the circle again, or you don't need to dimension it to the right place. So now you can just dimension again for 14 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Extrude cut it to in the lower part. Now press OK. Now here we can see we have drawn our this side. Now we will talk about this face. In this face, if we look about this line, we can see that we have a center line here. So I will draw a center line, and from the center line I will offset a line here and a line here. As the total dimension is 20 units, so this half portion will be 10 unit and this half portion will be 10 unit. And from there I will draw a semicircle. For drawing a semicircle, I will first draw a circle and then trim other part of the circle. Then I will close the shape and then I will extrude cut it. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a center line and draw a center line of 45 unit. We're drawing a center line of 45 unit because here this center line distance is 45 unit. Okay. Now go to offset entities. Now offset it to 10 unit because the total distance is 20 unit. So 10 unit bidirectional. Now press OK. We need to draw a semicircle here. For drawing a semicircle, I'll first draw a circle, then I will trim the circle. Okay, trim this and trim this line. You can see the item is unsolved because we have much many relation, so I am deleting one of the relation. Now it's okay. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude cut. Now press OK. Now I will draw in this face. In this face we can see we have a rectangular cut, and this rectangular cut has a dimension of 50 by 38 unit. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select center rectangle. Draw a center rectangle of 50 by 38 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude cut. Now press OK. We are almost done, but we now need to do all the fillets. So in our first fillets we'll draw this important fillet which is 12 unit. So in this portion and in this portion I will draw 12 unit to fillet. So go to fillet option. Now dimension it to 12 unit. Now select this line and rotate it and select this line. We have selected both of the line. Now press OK. Now isometric it, and now we can see in all the face in our sketch, like here, here, and here. Okay, sorry, in here and also here. You can see that we have all the face covered with fillet, and this fillet radius is 2 unit. So I will select 2 unit radius fillet and I will fillet all the faces. So I am selecting fillet option. Now select 2 unit. Now select this face. Okay. Now select this line and this line here, this line here. Now select this upper face. Select this line, this one, and also select this line, and this line. You can also now you can rotate the shape like this way and select this shape, select this line and select this line. If it is confusing and the fillet diameter, you can uncheck the full preview to partial preview, so it will be less confusing. So selecting this line and this line, and in here you can select this one, this one, this one, this one, and also this line. And now I will select this line, this line, this line, and this line. Now you can use the full preview option. It is looking quite good. Now press OK. So we have done our filleting. So as you can see, we have drawn out 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.